All the high-quality videos you're seeing right now, yep, they're all AI generated. And no, I didn't use OpenAI Sora or Google Veo3 to create them. Honestly, those tools are insanely expensive, and let's be real, I just can't afford them. Whether it's this hugging video, this kissing scene made from a single image, or this ultra-realistic cinematic shot, I created them all using a secret AI tool that's way more affordable. And today, I'm revealing everything about that tool. And trust me, its unique AI features will blow your mind. Let's get started. The tool I'm talking about today is called Vidu. It's an AI video generator that can create all kinds of complex videos with ease. It comes packed with powerful features like image to video, text to video, and reference to video. And that's not all. You also get access to AI sound effects and advanced video effects, all built right into the tool. The link to sign up is right below in the description, and yes, you can sign up for free, so go ahead and check it out. Once you sign up, you'll see a beautiful and user-friendly dashboard. At the top, you'll notice options like image to video, text to video, reference to video, and AI sound effects. And trust me, these tools are insanely powerful, especially the AI sound effects. Once you try that feature, you're going to be seriously impressed. So stick around and keep watching. Now, on the left side of the dashboard, you'll find a few drop-down menus. If you go into the Explore section, you'll see tons of videos created by other users. This is a great place to get inspiration and see what Vidu AI is really capable of. But enough about the dashboard. Now let's look at a real-life example. But before that, let me show you one of the most unique and powerful features of Vidu AI. Just head over to the template section. Here, you'll see tons of trending video templates. These are the same types of videos that are going viral on social media right now and getting millions of views. You'll also find many cool built-in effects here, which really help level up your content. We'll try these templates at the end of the video, but for now, let's move on and check out the actual video generation tool. So, I'm heading back to the home section, and from there, I'm clicking on the text to video tool. All right, let's try typing in a prompt now. What should we write? Okay, I just thought of something. Here's a cool idea. A massive angry T-Rex stomping through the streets of New York City during a cloudy afternoon. Cars screech and people run in panic as the dinosaur roars loudly, shaking nearby buildings. Dust and debris fill the air as the creature crushes street signs and smashes windows with its tail. The scene is shot like a dramatic movie trailer. Cinematic lighting, dynamic camera angles, and intense atmosphere with realistic destruction effects. Sounds exciting, right? Let's go ahead and generate this video. Now, if you find it difficult to write such a long and detailed prompt, no worries, you can definitely use ChatGPT for help. Just give it a small hint about the kind of video you want, and it will generate a well-written, detailed prompt for you in seconds. All right, let's move forward. After writing the prompt, the next step is to apply some basic settings like style, duration, resolution, movement amplitude, aspect ratio, and amount. I recommend keeping most of the settings as default. There's no need to tweak too much. You can adjust just the aspect ratio and amount based on your needs. For example, I'll select 16.9 as the aspect ratio and then simply click on Create. Just keep in mind that once the video is generated, 30 credits will be deducted from your account. And the best part? The video generation will take just around 30 seconds. So now you'll see the video is ready. And wow, it looks really realistic. The quality is impressive. You can actually see the cars in the background and people panicking, which makes the scene feel very real. Overall, the visual quality is just fantastic. Now, if you want to improve the video quality even further, Vidu AI gives you the option to upscale your video to 2K or even 4K. But remember, that will also use some of your credits. So let's try upscaling this video to 4K. I'll just select 4K and hit confirm. In just a few seconds, the video will be converted into stunning 4K quality. And now, just look at the difference. The clarity and sharpness are on another level. So yes, with Vidu AI, not only can you generate videos, but you can also enhance them like a pro. All right, let's quickly generate one more video. I'll just type in another prompt here, keep the settings the same as before, and hit create. And now you can see the new video is ready. And again, just look at the quality. It's super high, the camera movement, the dragon flying through the sky, and even the little birds flying around it. The entire scene looks incredibly realistic. Not to mention the clouds floating below add a beautiful touch to the background. All right, so I'll go ahead and upscale this one too. And as expected, the quality improves a lot. Now the video looks even more realistic and visually stunning. Okay, so that's how you can generate videos using just a text prompt. Now let's move on to the next powerful feature. Image to video. With this tool, you can turn a still image into a realistic animated video. So I've got this image of a space jet that I want to bring to life. I'll upload the image here and then paste a well-optimized prompt. Basically, this prompt describes exactly how I want the image to be animated, including all the important details. All right, no need to change the settings here, just leave them as they are, and hit create. It'll take around 30 seconds to generate the video. though that may vary depending on your subscription plan, so just be a little patient. And here we go, the image has been successfully turned into a video. Just look at the quality, it's amazing. The flames, the flying particles, they all add a really cool cinematic effect. Even the camera movement is very smooth and professional looking. So yes, the quality of your video highly depends on the prompt you use. The clearer and more detailed your prompt, the more realistic your video will turn out. By the way, you can also upscale this video to 4K, just like the previous one, okay? Now let's check out the next feature, which is reference to video. And honestly, I found this feature really unique. I'm 100% sure you're going to find it super interesting too. With this, you can combine 3 different images to create one video. Pretty cool, right? So first, you need 3 images. For example, I already have 3 images ready. One of a dog, one of a beach, and one of a football. I'll upload them here one by one. First the dog, then the beach, and finally the football. All right, now I'll move to the prompt section. I'll place the cursor before image 1 and start typing the prompt. Then I'll do the same. Place the cursor before image 2 and write its part of the prompt, and then again before image 3 and write the rest. Okay? After that, just set the aspect ratio and amount and hit create, and that's it. Within a few seconds, your 3 images will be turned into one smooth video. Now just look at the quality of this video. It looks so realistic that no one can even tell it was created using 3 separate images. That's why I told you at the beginning, this is one of the most unique features, so definitely give it a try, okay? Now moving on to the next feature, AI sound effects. This one is also really cool. It can generate any kind of sound effect just from text. So let's click on the AI sound effects tool. All right, this is the sound generation dashboard. Here, you'll also see some sample sound effects that you can try out. These examples can give you inspiration and help you understand how to write your prompt to generate better sound effects. So let's say I want to generate the sound of a cat meowing and the sound of raindrops falling on the roof. You'll notice that the duration is automatically set, but you can adjust it as needed. I'll just click on create, and yes, it will take 2 credits. All right, the sound effect has been generated. Let's listen to it. Amazing. Both sound effects are incredibly natural and realistic. Now let's quickly try one more sample, this time a retro-style music track. Let's see what kind of output we get. So I'll just click on create, let's play it. You can hear how beautifully the music has been generated, as it actually sounds like studio quality music. Okay, so with Vidu AI, not only can you create stunning videos, but you can also generate high quality sound effects and music and download them easily. All right. Now finally, let's check out the templates, one of the most unique and exciting features of Vidu AI. So I'm clicking on templates. Like I mentioned right at the beginning, this section is packed with viral AI-powered features that are trending all over social media right now. So let's try one of these. Let's go with the hugging tool. I'll click on it. Okay, now here you need to upload a photo with 2 people or 2 separate single photos. Just make sure the photo is clear, centered, and waist up. All right, so I'll upload a random photo here with 2 people in it. You can also try using 2 single portraits if you want. And keep in mind, this feature will cost you 12 credits. All right, let's hit create. It'll take about 25 seconds to generate. Okay, the video has been created. And just look at how realistic it looks. The hand movements and facial expressions are really smooth and natural. Once again, you can upscale or regenerate this video if needed. All right, so these were just a few of the amazing features you can explore inside Vidu AI. Of course, there are many more tools here you can experiment with, and they can really help you boost your content on social media. Now, if we talk about the pricing, Vidu AI offers a total of 4 plans: free, standard, premium, and ultimate. The standard plan costs just $8 and you get 800 credits, which lets you generate up to 200 videos. The premium plan is priced at $28 per month, giving you 4,000 credits, enough to create up to 1,000 videos. And the ultimate plan costs $79, where you get a massive 8,000 credits, and the best part is you can generate unlimited videos with it. All right, so you can choose the plan that best suits your needs. Overall, Vidu AI is a powerful and extremely fast AI video generator, and compared to tools like Veo 3 or OpenAI Sora, it's significantly more affordable. The video effects are truly stunning and unique, and definitely worth trying at least once. The link is in the description below. Go check it out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then,